Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of health technology and exploring how Apple is revolutionizing personal wellness. From fitness tracking to heart health monitoring, Apple Health and the Apple Watch are now way more than just gadgets. They're practically personal health assistants powered by cutting-edge machine learning. So, if you're curious about how these features can help you live a healthier life, stick around. Let's get into it. 1. Personalized health trends and long-term insights. Apple Health's ML algorithms track health trends over time, creating personalized insights based on your data. Each time you use your Apple Watch or log health data, ML detects patterns and highlights trends in metrics like activity, sleep, and heart rate variability. For instance, if the app notices reduced activity or elevated stress indicators, it suggests ways to improve, such as increasing movement or trying mindfulness practices. Why it matters. By tracking long-term health data, users gain insights into how habits affect their wellness. Observing these patterns helps make gradual lifestyle changes that contribute to preventive care. 2. Smarter activity and exercise tracking. The Apple Watch uses ML to adapt workout metrics and provide personalized fitness goals. Key features include move, exercise, and stand rings. These adapt to your habits, suggesting achievable goals based on your activity patterns, such as higher goals on active days and lower on quieter ones. Workout detection. The watch can detect common workouts and prompt tracking automatically. Trends and recommendations. ML suggests ways to close activity rings if it notices fitness levels plateauing. Why it matters. Apple Health's activity tracking goes beyond generic fitness apps by setting adaptive goals, recognizing workout patterns, and keeping users motivated to improve their fitness. 3. Heart health monitoring, proactive and life-saving insights. Apple Health utilizes multiple sensors to monitor heart metrics and provides data that could alert users to health risks. ECG monitoring. The FDA-approved ECG app detects atrial fibrillation, AFib, using ML to analyze heart signals and alert users to irregularities. Blood oxygen monitoring. Available on newer models, ML analyzes blood oxygen levels to detect respiratory patterns beneficial for conditions like asthma. Heart rate notifications. ML identifies unusual heart rates, ensuring relevant alerts based on personal patterns. Why it matters. These features offer clinical-level insights, empowering users to monitor their heart health proactively and encouraging timely medical consultations. 4. Sleep tracking and analysis. Apple Health's ML-based sleep tracking provides users with a complete view of their sleep, including duration, quality, and consistency. Using heart rate and motion sensors, the app determines how much time is spent in light, deep, and REM sleep. Irregular sleep patterns prompt suggestions to improve sleep hygiene, and sleep focus mode minimizes distractions by limiting notifications and adjusting screen brightness. Why it matters. Quality sleep is essential for health, impacting areas like weight, heart health, and stress. With ML Insights, users can make adjustments to improve sleep hygiene and overall wellness. 5. Mindfulness and stress management. Apple Health's Mindfulness app promotes mental wellness, using ML to track stress indicators like elevated heart rate and prompting stress-reducing exercises. How it works. When ML detects stress patterns, it may encourage mindfulness exercises or breathing routines to manage stress effectively. Why it matters. High stress impacts physical health, potentially causing issues like hypertension and poor sleep. With stress management tools, Apple Health emphasizes a holistic wellness approach that balances mental and physical health. Privacy and data security. User control. Apple prioritizes privacy in Apple Health, with encrypted data stored on devices and ML processing occurring locally, keeping sensitive information secure. Through HealthKit, users can choose to share data with healthcare providers or third-party apps, maintaining control over their health information. The benefits of Apple Health's machine learning features. Apple Health's suite of ML-powered features extends beyond basic fitness tracking, offering a personalized wellness experience that includes data-driven goals. Adaptive goals encourage consistent engagement and motivation. Proactive health management. Real-time alerts and long-term trend tracking promote preventive care. Holistic wellness support. Apple Health covers fitness, sleep, heart health, and mindfulness, supporting a well-rounded health approach. Enhanced awareness. ML-driven trends give users a comprehensive view of their health, inspiring informed lifestyle changes. Apple Health is changing the way we approach wellness, one data point at a time. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the latest in health tech and wellness. Drop a comment below. How are you using tech to stay healthy? We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.